Hello, today I would like to talk to you about thought challenging, or catch it, check it, change it. We know that negative thoughts can profoundly impact our emotional well-being, and changing our thoughts to more helpful or balanced ones can actually be the first step in improving how we see ourselves and the world. Thought challenging doesn't come naturally to our brains because they're hardwired to ensure our survival. We sometimes believe those negative or unhelpful thoughts, even though there is no evidence to prove them. But the good news is that with practice, thought challenging can improve things. This is where catch it, check it, change it comes in. Firstly, we need to be aware of any negative thoughts which can lead to negative feelings or behaviours. What is it you're worried about? What is the negative thought? This is the catch it step. Then we check it. This is the part where we reflect on the thought, and this does take practice. So we take the thought and weigh up the evidence. Is it true or false? It can also be helpful to think, what would I say to a friend who had this thought? It's good to know that unhelpful thoughts are often untrue. Finally, we change it. This is where we replace the earlier unhelpful thought with a more balanced one. This can then impact more positively on our feelings and our subsequent behaviours. Thought challenging is not about seeing everything in our lives as perfect or amazing. That just wouldn't be true. What it means is not automatically believing all the negative thoughts we have about ourselves and situations in our lives. Thank you for listening. We hope this has been helpful. If it has, please share this knowledge with others to support their emotional well-being.